Exploding rats were actually a real British weapon during World War II. That's right, spies stuffed dead rats with explosives, planning to sneak them into German boiler rooms. The idea? If a German worker tossed a suspicious rat into a furnace, it would cause a massive explosion and wreck the facility from the inside. This bizarre sabotage plan was designed by the British Special Operations Executive, the same group behind other legendary spy gadgets. The rats were meticulously prepared, their insides removed, replaced with plastic explosives, then stitched back up to look totally normal from the outside. But before the rats could be unleashed, a shipment was intercepted by the Germans. They figured out the trick, but instead of being relieved, they were terrified. The discovery forced German forces to launch massive searches for more booby-trapped rodents, wasting countless hours and resources on a threat that was never actually deployed. Even though not a single exploding rat was ever used, the psychological effect was so powerful it still disrupted the enemy's operations. Sometimes, just the idea of a weapon can be as dangerous as the weapon itself.